Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
This is Jaboni, the runaway slave, better known as the badass. And I'm here today after taking a couple of days break to continue my journey. First, I want to say maximum respect goes out to those that take the time to listen to what I'm putting down. As I said, this is my experience, and over here we are not looking any friend, and we are not even looking for a debate, because the things then that I am speaking about is personal, my personal experience and my personal journey. So it's not open for debate. However, I'm going to shift the program, because now that you have heard a part of my story, that is enough to give you the background from where I'm coming from as a Rasta baby. So now we are going to deal with the situation now to see if we can find some solution. But before I get into the program, I want to pay some respect to some people. One of my lieutenant general is Warwick Hill, real soldier. And we still have to pay respect and manners to Ida Star. I want our youth that still. So I just said that. We're going to pay respect and manners also to all bloggers. So I don't have to call the name now. All bloggers. I want to pay maximum respect to a sister called Eshe. Welcome aboard, and I would love to do an interview with you of one of these days. I also want to salute my brethren Awak Indian and the Awak Nation. Excuse me while I drink my coffee and my cinnamon bun. Now, from now on, the program is dedicated to the youths. So, I don't want a whole nigga coming at too much army to me now. Because we not entertain a whole nigga there, so. I'm a house nigga. I have a special youth where I want to give a heads up. Black Star High. I'm not gone away. Because you know I'm not gone away. Because I know say you're my daughter. Link. I'm looking forward to do an interview with you ASAP. I might have to come look for you. It's probably there. Because I know where you're there. Might have to come look for you. Since you can't come look for I will come look for you. I promise you that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to see if I can do that before even the festive season come down upon I and I. So I'm going to start look towards doing that. Make a day trip come look for you. Now, the topic we are going to discuss today, part 1, is the thing called us and them. Us and them is what is the serious problem with us. I want you all stop for a while and try fathom what I'm saying. The world, as we know it, is divided in two. Us and them. So let's look at us. Us. And start from Jamaica. Jamaica motto is out of many one people. Damn lie. That's one of the biggest lie. I want to sell the dream say Jamaica is a multicultural place. Damn lie. Jamaica is not a multicultural place. And Jamaica is not out of many one people. It is not. Jamaica is 95% us. Follow me. Jamaica is 95% us and 5% them. The 5% that is them rule over the 95% of us. So from the day me born until now, I never lose sight yet. That is us and them. Now, I'm not going to call no name because I don't want the thing getting no. Me and them. Because it's not me and them I deal with. I deal with us and them. So as a Rasta youth growing up, I was always conscious that it was us and them. Wherever I go in the world, I treat the world with one criteria. Us and them. When I come to England, I deal with the thing, us and them. So I find us amongst us. Meaning that if you are dealing with that, a next man from a next region, if he's one of us, automatically you know say is one of us. If it's one of them, then you know say it is not one of us. Follow my reasoning. My tea finished. So now, we have allowed them to trick us. And they have tricked us in the US. They have tricked us here in Britain. And they have tricked us globally with the thing called the one love. The one love concept is what them use and trick us. The so-called multiculturalism is the next trick. Because when you look at it, the only people who practice multiculturalism and one love is us. And the wickedest thing with us, we have not practiced one love with ourselves. We have practiced one love with them, while they're not in a one love with us. See me there? And we are fooling ourselves that we are living in a multicultural society when nothing is really multi around here. So, let me take a closer look now on how this thing work. First of all, we need to stop take the music business seriously. No, we need to stop that. The music business has played out. So there's nothing now to the music. The music is business. The music is nothing to do with culture. The music is nothing to do with the struggle. Today, it's just the music is about eating a food. So enough of we start get confused with this eat a food culture, because the eat a food culture is what destroy everything that we stand for, you know. Penetrate to me, I say. Here it is. Just look past the other day, Mayor Spice said she go do the show for them. And the whole of us up in arms. Why are we up in arms? Because Spice I go do the show for them. You know why we up in arms? Because Spice was never one of us. If Spice was one of us and she decides she's gonna do a show for them, then it would be just a show. It would be no problem, a show. She gonna do a show for them. But you see, because she was never one of us in the first place, but just eating her food. So what are we fighting about? If she gonna eat her food, then she eat her food. But if she's one of us, then should I really be careful where she eat her food? So is the eat her food culture where have destroyed everything that we have stood for, stand for, and is about. Now, who start this eat a food culture? Our boy did say, him nah make none of them pick them come dead for hungry. So hence him be do the tour Babylon by bus. And since then, so we want to put a fire now upon Babylon by bus. Yeah, we need to put a fire upon that. And we need to put a fire upon every artist who fight for go to Babylon. Yeah. The other day, me hear a Bubba Ross dip up on the chronics and him dip up under the whole of the, they call it, revival, young generation. Me and dip up on him. I'm going to feel him in passion. I'm going to feel him in fire. I feel him fire. But then when me stop and think about this little young lion now, I have to wonder now, what him a deal with, because I have to touch him can't you know, because him say my artist. So you burn out. You burn out Chronics, Porto J, John 9 and the whole of them. You burn them out. But when you hear you say you go to tour Africa, coming like that, you burn them out, but you want to come tour Babylon too. Because I just sit there now. Anthony B, my brethren, good brethren, the whole of Luton Fire, my brethren. President Brown, my brethren. Beanie Man, my brethren. Vegas, the whole of them, my brethren. But where all these people fight for come tour? European tour, Babylon. What kind of message do not carry go tell Babylon? How do not carry the message go Africa? That's the thing there, you know. That's the only thing water down, you know. That's it done, you know. Every man, me no hear no man I say them I go up on African tour. Me no hear no man I say them I go up on African tour. Every man want go tour Babylon, Europe. Anthony B put a fire upon Rome, but him go to a Rome and him sing him tune. Right? How that, may I try to understand how that impact, what kind of point that make? That is entertainment business. Eater food business. Me no hear you go tour Africa and put a fire pan them we down there. No. So me I wonder what go on so. Like I say, at the youth them me I try to wake up, you know, cause me already go find out certain things and me come forward now and analyze certain things and I break down certain things now. So the first thing I want to tell some man now, Jaboni, is not an African. I want to know that. Badass. You don't know African. Me just a man. Yeah, me's a man. Me not African. For me, to be an African, show me an African country where claims me. Because now, Ghana get its freedom from 1957. I'm going to hear it say come home back, slave. I don't hear no African country reach out for the slave them to come back home. I don't hear no African country that. So that tell me, say me no African. The boy can't come fool me. Because you see this us and them, it practice one way. When you come in contact with a man or a woman that is a part of us, our instinct instantly chip in. So when we meet any of my brethren them that is a part of us, I know I say, yeah man, I want to and this. Don't ask me how. For you meet a man or a woman that is a part of us, you just know say, I want to and I. So round here, we need to start to look and find ourselves, meaning finding us. Don't come take no man through him black and talk about I'm a brother. Me not take no man through him black. A man affair relate to us as us. That's when me know say this is my brother and this is my sister. Too much time we take people on face value only for them to leave us at the roadside standing, sell us out, give us out, and do everything for us to stay out. As it stands today, most people just want to be a part of them. And they will do anything to be a part of them. So, that was my 20 minutes worth of us and them. This is the topic that we need to start look and try to decipher how we will move forward, because Babylon pressed the reset button, and the reset button is to address and continue divide us. Don't come talk now say me I divide the thing, because the thing was always divided. It was always us and them. It's you who never know say it was us and them that is now confused. I'm not confused. So, I catch you now again in a part 2.